Рано. Это наш шанс. Задержка увеличит риск. Андрей, who holds power in this gulag? The guards or the prisoners? Which is it? Yes, Andrei, very good. Power is sealed by those who seize it. Молодец, воин. Покажите это своими действиями. За мной!
All stations, we got an empty nest active on the watchtower.
It's Arthur Raptor, requesting immediate fire on the courtyard tower. How
Roger that, Raptor's inbound. Raptor to ground, target acquired. Danger close.
copy? Rain fire!
Shots out, box 2. Direct, target destroyed.
Get to the tunnel, there's our exit. Shoot the guards, not the prisoners. We need them to riot.
Heads up! Enemy helo is overhead.
Come on, should have taken it out when I had a chance. Don't worry, it's focused on the prisoner.
Gotcha, helipad. Helipad is hot.
Get these guns down and get up there. To the tunnel for extraction. Давай, вперед! All troops to the tunnel now. We're clear. Let's go. Charlie, we're coming to you now. Clear everybody. Let's go. Charlie was supposed to handle that helo. If it was a problem, you should have dealt with it. Follow the cliffside to the water. Our boats will provide covering fire. Shooters on the wall. Ignore them. Get to the boat. Андрей, давай! Я держу! Командир! Давай, давай, давай!
Пронесло! Мы ваши должники, командир!
Тут нет должников. Есть только преданность. Непоколебимая преданность.
Watcher 1 to Bravo 6, Watcher to Bravo, over.
As well, go for 6.
John, Makarov is out.
Say again, Laswell.
Makarov is out. He's on the move, John.
Aboard! Turn us around! Turn us around now!
Shadow 2, Kilo Actual. At the port now. Will confirm when cargo's in my possession. Stand by.
Roger that, Kilo.
We're good to go?
So far.
This is a game changer.
Let's hope we never have to use them. Intibu hawalay kon. Stay on comms.
Roger that.
دينا فرح أمك منيحة؟
هي قوية مثلك. يلا عملت كل شي طلبتيه. حويتك مأمنة والمرسق فاضي، ما في حدا غيرنا.
والمينا؟
مسكر من امبارح.
منيح.
فرح أنا ما خصني، بس
قوليلي.
هالهاوية أكيد كتير مهمة.
أكيد.
بعد كل هالسنين صارت أوزبكستان سالمة. نحن عم نعيش حياتنا. ترجاكي اعملي كل شي بوجهتك، نضل هيك. نحن كلنا معك.
ايه أكيد.
حويتك موجودة
Echo 3-1. Troops in contact. Kilo's vehicle is down. I say again, troops in the open, taking effective fire from multiple locations. Copy that. Hold your position. Shadow 01 to Kilo. Do you read me? Kilo, Vera, do you copy?
This is Kilo. We were ambushed. Dina is KIA.
It's Coney. They're everywhere, Commander.
The missiles. They're going for the missiles.
We can't let them do that, Vera.
I need weapons.
Look for containers with the Shadow insignia. They'll have what you need to fight Coney.
We were shipping more than just missiles.
Plenty more. Lucky for you.
I'm at the container.
Copy. That gear gives you an edge, but there's still an army of Coney between you and those missiles.
I will not allow Coney to steal these missiles, whatever it takes.
We're gonna need a contingency. Commander, I have GPS trackers on my ship. You plant those on the missiles, we'll never lose visual.
I still need to locate the containers. Dina would have known where to find them.
Shipping manifest will be in the harbor master's office.
The tower.
Affirmative.
Copy that. There's a drone if I need to survey the area.
Good find.
Grab the bomb drone.
Flying C4. Be careful with that one. It means business.
Making my way towards the cargo ship.
Check.
Sighted your ship, Graves.
You see any of my people?
Negative.
Not what I wanted to hear. Sounds like they found you. Maybe hidden. For now.
Coney's got shooters on your boat. Found the cable.
Can use an ascender to scale that. Good attack, Vera. We need the GPS trackers off the boat and the manifest from the tower, Kilo.
Found the shadow container I can access.
Herzog stands our go-to port of call in this region. Take what suits you.
What will I owe you, Graves? I pay my debts.
Not a thing. I want these bastards eradicated, much as you do.
Clocking a JLTV.
Make sure you got what you need to handle an armored vehicle.